Happy Thanksgiving holiday weekend. Friday, markets close. Half a day. Time, 9:19 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. We're going to feature MELI as the big short, and we cover this stock extensively. So the high was 598. The intraday range, as it stands right now, is at $20.55. You heard what I had to say. There it is, right here. Now, it's $18.28 off the high. And this is our market maker application. We built this, and we own it. The diamonds are high frequency robots and whatnot, but
Market
this
data
is where
connection lost.
our decision process is made. So I'm going to go ahead and show
Market
where
data
it
connection
was at
re-established.
598 reversal. See that big diamond? When those diamonds go that way, those are the machines that are selling below the bid. Pops up, gets down here, makes it slow finally, pops up. You can see that diamond. That's where they bid pop it with the machines. And we came back down and we tested the half bar
Market
over
data
here.
connection lost.
Half bar on that one there. That was 579.32. Doesn't
Market
math
data
for you.
connection
This does
re-established.
not lie. The math does not lie. Markets Dow's down 86 points right now. NASDAQ is down 25.53. NASDAQ 100 minus 30.44. And the S&P is down to 9 points as we go into the closing bell. The fear indicator, the VIX, the fear indicator. Everybody's very complacent. We're at all-time market highs. And we're going down today because of that Chinese crap. And the ranges are very thin in the option market, but nonetheless, this is the stats that we're working with the fear indicator at 12.52. It is actually up on the day, and it is 0.99 or 8.57%. And the VXN fear indicator, which is the NASDAQ 100, the VIX is the S&P 500 fear indicator, and it's very complacent. It too is up 1.00. That's 6.77% for that fear indicator. And MELI continues to come down. When you get up here, it tells us, Panther tells us exactly what to do. And it never lies. Math does not lie. And when that reversal happened right there, that's when that high of 598.55 came into play. And it did. You can see the two candles here. Let me pull this down a little bit for you. There you go. You can see now that we're going to come right back down to these very same volumes on MELI. But it's 1933 off the high. The $600 put options pay big. They're expensive when you bought them. And we can clearly see that we're $1.12 off of the low right now, and that IR is 5. It does not lag the price with Panther whatsoever. This number goes lower. These red candles and the diamonds that you see, which are robots, high-frequency trading bots that track the machines that are used in the actual exchange. And this is the only way we can beat them. If I have the put options and the IR is at 5, there's no reason to come out. Panther tells you exactly what to do. And it does. And you don't have to speculate. It's at a 6 IR. It's below 10. If it goes on 0, you'll see that red candle really go down. And whatnot. So, when you have a very low IR like this in Panther, which is a 6, it tells you not to come out of your puts because it's very weak. And so now you know when and when not to sell. It tells you. No problem. One of the other key features of Panther is going to be the trend ratio, current trend ratio, minus 1.00. In our system, that's 1 delta. It won't be wrong. And 1 delta is very negative. Okay? Each one of the lines that you see says a teeny value, but it's 116. That's 63 cents per line. And here's how accurate it is. It doesn't lie. Now, so you know it's 63 cents per teeny, which is one line. And you can clearly see when they rally up, and we own our own platform. This is us. We built it. Takes a while for it to get used to it because the way that the pricing is, it's not retail, it's wholesale. So we have, if this print right here goes up to 1.02 or 5, then we would drop another teeny value, 63 cents per teeny, 16th in price. And we can see originally we were up here. So when we had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 teeny reversal times 63 cents. And it came straight down. We had the big pop, we're rolling right back over, and this half bar right here is going to be the key to what's going on. That's 579.23 on the equity right here. The option trading comes into play for the $600 put. That would have made you what? A fortune. We know you're watching the video for one reason. We're highlighting the $20.55 range with the fact that you're $19 off of the high, would support the $598 put option, the $600 strike. $600 strike, and you have a 2055 reversal. Isn't that nice? If that's not professional, then what is? The IR remains at 6, so there's not a real big movement yet. And it has very, very light volume, just so you know. But this is a major feature for you people that want to be option traders that have enough money now. You have to have enough money in the account, and then you have to, think about going to Interactive Brokers and opening an account. That's the best retail platform for people like yourselves. The best. I mean, really the best. So, as far as getting orders executed, here we are right now. We're at a 7 IR. That means it's still weak. As long as this IR is below 15 and then rolls back over. So right now, the put options are at their high price to exit. And when you have the low IR like that in Panther, and you learn what's behind here, oh yeah. And it does all the thinking and everything for you. And it does. And the mathematics don't lie. Let it be known on this day. 6 IR, you can see that little wick come down. Yeah, you can. And so it would tell you right now that if we were looking at the call side of the market, I don't even have to pull it up. I already know. When that IR is at 6, the calls are at their very lowest price no matter what. It's just a matter of pulling them up, the call chart, and then looking at exactly where we're at. And that is going to be the lowest price right now. So if we were looking at the 575 calls in the money, we would go ahead and say to ourselves, well, yeah, that's the right one. Well, why is that? Because the option price will move higher, which will have a higher price range, which will give more profit. Faster, quicker, easier, and on your way. So, once again, we own the application. We really are proud of it. I have an 8 IR, and you're getting a green bar. So, right now, it's still weak because of what? The 8 IR. Panther does all the thinking. And the gauges down here, don't worry about it. They tell you everything. And now you don't have any more speculation in your option trading. Those days are gone and over.